Okay, boys and girls, what we are going to do is we are going to review our sneaky E rule with the long to make long A that we've just learned. And we're also going to go over our spelling words. I want to start out though by having you look at this word that I'm going to put up here. This word. Okay, guys, when I take a look at this word, and let me get something real quick. All right, now, when I take a look at this word, I see something at the end. Remember, we learned about sneaky E. And remember we said E is sneaky. When something's sneaky, you don't hear them. So we don't hear our A, but when we have an E at the end, it sneaks up on our vowel and it makes our vowel say its name. It scares it. Boo. It scares it. And this vowel says its name, which is A. So it says A. So this would be B-A-K. Sneaky scares it into saying its name. And most of our spelling words this week are sneaky E words. Sneaky E is going to sneak up on that vowel and make it say its name. Its long sound. Now, guys, you need to get out the piece of notebook paper that is in your packet that I've included in there because you will need it for this activity. So you go ahead and get that out. All right, for number 1, we're going to review our spelling words. So I want you thinking about our spelling words. This first word begins with the M sound. It begins with the M sound. And it rhymes with take. I want you on your piece of paper to write that word down. It begins with the M sound and it rhymes with take. Write it down. All right, well, the word you wrote begins with a M sound. And if it rhymes with take, our word is make. You're right. Now we see that make has our sneaky E on the end, making the A say A. It's not Mac, but make. All right, let's try number 2. I'm going to give you another clue. This word begins with the K sound and rhymes with same. It begins with K and rhymes with same. Write that word down. All right, the word begins with K. We said it rhymes with same, so you should have wrote what? Yes, came. Let's try number 3. Let's try that one. All right, guys, this one begins with the T sound, and it rhymes with lake. Begins with T and rhymes with lake. Write that down. And then I'm going to follow you in my writing. Begins with T, rhymes with lake. What word did you write? Yes, you wrote take. Sneaky E sneaks up, makes that A long. All right, let's try number 4. All right, Number 4 begins with G. It begins with a G sound and rhymes with blame. I'm going to let you go ahead and write. Begins with G and rhymes with blame. Write the word down. And I'm just going to follow you in my writing since you're already writing. Begins with G and rhymes with blame. Yes, what word did you get? Yes, it's game. All right, let's try number 5. All right, this word, it begins with the N sound, and rhymes with tame. It begins with the N sound and rhymes with tame. Write the word that this would be. Okay, I'm going to write a little behind you. I hope you did N, rhymes with tame. What word did you get? Yes, name. Sneaky E makes R-A say A. It's long sound. All right, we're going to try number 6. This word begins with G, with the G sound, and it rhymes with wave. Begins with G and rhymes with wave. Write that word down. Well, if it begins with G and it rhymes with wave, what word did you get? Yes, it's gave. Let's try another one. Now, this word begins with sk. It begins with sk, and it rhymes with state. It begins with sk and rhymes with state. Write that one down. Well, I know it begins with sk. And if it rhymes with state, another sneaky E word. What word did you write? Yes, skate. Let's try number 8. This word begins with pull, and it rhymes with face. Begins with pull and rhymes with face. Write down the word. Write that word down. All right, I'll go ahead and start writing behind you. Begins with pull and rhymes with face. What word did you get? Yes, it is place. Now our other 2 words are sight words, so we don't spell them by how they sound, but I'm going to call them out and see if you can spell them. See if you can spell the word or. Do you like pizza or a cheeseburger? Or. You should have wrote O-R. It's a short word. That R controls the O. And then number 10, from. Write that word down. All right, boys and girls, these are our 10 spelling words that we'll have tomorrow. So if you will just remember your sneaky E rule, it will help you spelling most of them. We know sneaky E sneaks up on the vowel and makes it say its long sound. I'll see you back in just a little bit.